Hey everybody, Slightly Unblended. Today I have a little, kind of a mini lime crime haul. So yeah, I'm just going to jump into it. So I found an ad on Facebook, as one does. You know, the little FBI agent on the phone is always listening. And so, of course, they know my makeup obsession. Well, they recently released these Venus liners. So I had to pick up some. I grabbed Oasis, Butterfly, and Wisteria, which I am actually wearing right now. I thought about filming this look, but I also was like, I don't know, it's a lot of filming today. So if you want to see a tutorial on this look, let me know. I plan on doing a graphic liner look to showcase these liners pretty soon. I also picked up because I was like, never tried their wet cherry gloss. And I was like, I bet it smells like cherry. And I'm wearing the Flirty Cherry on my lips right now with the Juvia's Place, the red velvet matte lipstick mini. It smells like cherry. It's got little glitter reflex, and it's like the ruby slippers from the Wizard of Oz on my lips. So anyway, I had to try it out. But I got this on sale. I think it was like $11, and it was like if you spend, if you spend so much, you get like a mystery item or whatever. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do that. So of course, because I am obsessed with their brow products, I already put it up. But I got the Bushy Brow Precision Pen in baby brown because they didn't have the one that I usually get. I think, yeah, it's brownie, so I got this one to try. I mean, I've been using the brow pens, been playing around with my brows a little differently. If you'd like a brow tutorial, I can maybe try. I cannot promise you because my brows look different every day and they're a pain in my ass. So, off to the next thing. Actually, no, that was it. That was all that I ordered. And for the mystery gifts, they sent a Bodylike Creamy Body Highlight in the shade Enchantress, which I haven't even opened yet, so let me go ahead and do that. Oh, this is cute. Oh, okay. Ooh, this will be perfect for when I can actually go outside and it's not cold. I feel like I've said this before, but usually I pretty much live indoors during the wintertime because I cannot handle the cold. Next up is a Diamond Crushers. I think this is for your lips. Yeah, iridescent lip topper. I've been like on a gloss kick lately, but I'm not like super duper like into glosses. But this is really cute and the packaging is adorable, so I will try it sometime. I feel like this would look amazing over a black lipstick, which I will discuss in another haul video that I'm about to film. So anyway, I picked up the NYX matte suede lipstick in Alien. Excited about that because I've been needing a good black lipstick, so I feel like that might be good. Hopefully I'm not getting my hopes up. Next up I have Paulette, the liquid velveteen. I don't know what color. It looks like it could be a nude. Oh yeah, she a nude. I do like Salem. Salem is like my favorite. I tried Blood Moon because I wanted like a really vampy, almost black red lipstick. Yeah, I didn't like that one. So I'm going to see how that one works out. And last but not least, they sent over the Lid Light Soft Suede Eyeshadow in Gold Road. Oh, this looks like a chunky. I love it. Okay. Let me see. I have to... Oh, it's soft. And it is so... I didn't do a big swatch, but it is so pigmented. Well, let me just do a swatch. I know I didn't swatch everything else, but this is worthy of it. Okay, ready? And... how gorgeous is that? I am super excited for the... Oh my gosh. Like, I can't stop looking at it. Look at it. Okay, anyway, that's all. That's it. That's the tweet. That is my mini lime crime haul. The mystery gift that they sent over with the... I can't even remember how much it was. It was like... I think it was like $60 or $50. If you spend that much, then they'll send you like $60 worth of free stuff, but I mean, you know, like, anyway, it was like, well, this is already going to be close to it, so why don't I pick up a couple of things that I want to try. So anyway, yeah. So if you would like to see more of these, let me know down below. I will have all my social medias. Don't forget to use the hashtag #SlightlyUnblended for a chance to be featured in an upcoming video. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one.